line when you start driving in Aguada. You follow the Pico Piedra Guanaquilla Road, and it ends here, which is a restricted area, I think because of the big antenna in the distance. But you can still access the beach. There's some trails this way and there's some trails this way, so we're gonna go see where they go. So one trail goes straight to the beach and we can walk along the coast, and then this other trail looks like it comes this way, and there is an opening right here. It looks like has been taken. I don't know if we're supposed to pass through here, but kind of cool. What do you think, Aiden? So this is why this area is like triple fenced. It's for this huge antenna that is, I think, one of the largest in the Caribbean. It's for submarines, ultra low frequency, and it's one of the largest points. If it were a building, it would be one of the highest points as far as a building goes in this area. So. old abandoned building behind the fencing here. I'm not sure what it was. I imagine this probably was all sugarcane plantation at one point in time. Maybe this was one of the workhouses for it. And then just beyond it is just pure access to the beach. Pretty cool. Out here. I think we're in Carizales of Aguada now. Down this path that lines there's this road and then the beach right here and the big humongous antenna. It's pretty cool. I've never been back here. So we've been walking along this path a little ways and it looks like we've come to the river. This is the Rio Culebrina, the snaking river that winds all the way through Añasco, Moca, and it comes out here in between Aguada and Aguadilla. In the distance you can see the shoreline of Aguadilla. And so we're going to keep walking until we can't, but this is kind of the major river pass right here. We took the other trail down from the path and look at this cool jungle canopy in through here. Lots of coconut palms and fallen almond trees. Looks like some people have hung out down here. There's like an old TV monitor and some random rabbits. But it's kind of getting rainy and looking really muddy through here. We found it looks like a fence line maybe made out of tin roof panels with some trees that fell on it. I'm assuming from a hurricane of some sort, maybe Maria. Pretty neat back through here. What do you think, Aiden? Do you like it?